Hello everyone, and welcome to the beautiful kitchen of my sister's home, Candace Milligan. We are here today because I have sent out about 100 recipe booklets, and we are going to be following month by month a different recipe each month. And this month's recipe book is going to be called
Delicious desserts. If you don't have one, you're going to turn to January's. On the back it says peanut butter kiss cookies.
That's right. We're going to be making those today with you. So if you want to follow along, you can. If you did not receive a recipe book, I'll have the recipe in the comments. So we are ready to get started with making peanut blossoms.
All right, let's go.
Let's
One
go.
cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, a large egg that is room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 18 chocolate kiss candies unwrapped. You're going to get out your handy dandy mixer. Now, if you don't have the fancy KitchenAid, you're going to pull out your Sunbeam. You know, it's been in your back cupboard for a while. So
That's right.
mine's been out there, so we're going to pray that it still works. So we're going to take 1 cup of peanut butter.
Now, Candace, while you're doing that, you're putting the 1 cup of peanut butter and you're going to cream together the peanut butter and the sugar. Tell us a little bit about the benefits of being a homeowner.
Well, the benefits of being a homeowner is you're not renting and you're not paying someone else's mortgage. You're paying your own mortgage, which means that you've been renting for years and years and years, and you're putting all this money into something that's never going to be yours. So once you buy your own home, then you're putting all this money in for years and years and years. That's going to be yours. It's a good investment. You can take money out of it. You can leave it to something you can leave to your kids when you are gone.
Absolutely. I like that. I like that you said that it's something, a legacy that you can leave to your kids. If something was to happen to you or you to pass away, you have something to pass on to your children. So yeah, so we're going to get ready to cream together the peanut butter and the sugar. And if you have any questions or comments about home ownership, feel free to comment in the comment section while we do this and get this ready for our peanut blossoms.
Next, we're going to beat in our egg and vanilla.
Okay, what is our next step?
Our next step, after you finish blending everything, we're going to roll these into 1 1/4 inch balls.
All right. And while you're doing that, Candace, tell us a little bit about maintaining a home. Once you're in your home, what are the maintenance and what do you have to be thinking about with home ownership?
Well, what you want to think about with home ownership is you want to make sure you budget for maintenance. Just because it is your own home, you can't call Mr. Landlord or Miss Landlord to come and fix everything for you.
That's right.
So you're going to have to budget for any kind of maintenance. You want to keep your lawn maintained, especially if you live in a neighborhood, because your homeowners, if you have a homeowners association, they will fine you if your yard is not kept up. So you want to make sure that you have a budget for lawn maintenance and also appliances. If anything breaks on you, then you want to be prepared to make those repairs without it hurting your budget.
That's right. And so probably saving up for a rainy day. Like,
Exactly.
I know if anybody has done Dave Ramsey, he says to save up at least, $1,000.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or you can get a homeowner's a warranty, which will, it's even better, which is what I have, that you just pay a small deductible and they'll come out and they'll fix your appliances or replace them for at no cost or low cost.
Exactly. I'm glad you brought that up. Good point. So we're going to get these all rolled out and into the oven.
Okay, now that we got these all rolled, then we're going to bake them in the oven, 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Done. We're going to take them out of the oven.
Awesome. And so now the best part, the
Best
chocolate.
part is the chocolate,
Yay.
most definitely. We're going to take a Hershey Kiss and we're going to put it down in the middle.
Okay, awesome. Oh, these look wonderful.
Yummy.
And they smell so good. Oh, just like the picture. They crack open just like it is in the picture. So we can't wait to taste these. Those are good. Thank you so much. Yeah, those are.
And here you have it, your peanut butter kiss cookies. Don't they look delicious?
I hope you enjoyed this episode of making peanut blossoms or kiss cookies with my sister. Next month, we're doing triple berry crisp for February and Valentine's Day. You will not want to miss my special guest. And if you are in the market to buy or sell real estate, hit me up.